It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, dynamic select automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, 4 12-volt power outlets, and V6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.